Welcome to Vansdirect. Today we're going to be taking a look through the great city van that is the Citroen Berlingo. So starting at the front of the vehicle, we start with the plastic black bumper to protect you against any low-level bumps and scrapes. Working our way up, we've got the wraparound halogen headlights with daytime running lights as well. So starting with the side of the vehicle, we've got the 16-inch wheels here, as well as further low-level plastic bumper trim to protect against car door openings in car parks and spaces like that. Side loading door here, providing a handy loading access for smaller bits of cargo to go in on the side. Moving our way around to the rear of the vehicle, we've got the low-level bumper trim here equipped with parking sensors, as well as the rear access load doors, so they open to both a 90-degree and 180-degree angle. To achieve the 180-degree angle, if you're loading any larger cargo, simply just flick the little yellow switches on each side. Inside the cargo space, we've got plenty of room. In total, there's 3.3 cubic meters of space in here, a height of just over 1 meter, and then a length of just over 1.5 meters. You've also got your 6 tie-down points as well to keep any loose items from moving around. Now, the passenger bench seat at the front is very versatile. So first and foremost, we've got a storage compartment just underneath it. So by clicking a switch just underneath the seat, we've got more storage down here along with the vehicle toolkit. What this vehicle also has is the Extenso Citroen loading feature. Just by pulling the blue tag just above the seat, we can pull the seat down and then open up a loading compartment through to the cargo area of the van, where we can load more longer, so you've got more room as well. So just behind the Extenso loading compartment, we've got little rubber feet there to protect from scratching on the base of the vehicle. And then by pulling it down, we've got the space right through to the front driving cabin. So inside the Berlingo, we've got plenty of headroom, also plenty of storage options inside the vehicle. We've got storage just above our head, we've got storage just there in the glove box, as well as just above the steering wheel on the dashboard. And then just below, we've got the white clean plastic floor too. So starting with the infotainment system on board the Berlingo, we've got the availabilities here for the music. So we've got DAB, FM and AM radio, as well as the options for presets and your radio list as well. Moving our way down, we've got the vehicle settings, so you can sort that between driving function and the general vehicle settings themselves. We've also got the built-in satellite navigation, and then on the other side then we've got further settings for the actual system on board the vehicle, as well as Bluetooth connectivity and capabilities for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Working away just below the screen, we've got all our heating and ventilation, so we've got the fan speeds as well as where you wanted the air to be directed. You've got the windscreen demister there, as well as the climate control just here. Just below heating and ventilation, we've got the 6-speed gearbox, as well as a small cup holder and an electronic handbrake. The dashboard in front of the driver's got all your usual displays like speedometer, rev counter. We've got the indicators, speed limiter and cruise control on the left-hand side, and then your wipers on the right-hand side. One thing that I really like about the Berlingo is its car-like drivability. You don't feel like you're driving a small city van, so it'd be very comfortable while driving around towns and cities, very manoeuvrable around small streets and side lanes and things like that. You've got great visibility here, nice big windscreen. You feel like you can see all around you. Doesn't really feel like there are any blind spots, which is nice. The nice thing about this van is, although it's built for smaller journeys, especially within towns and cities, you are equipped for those longer journeys as well. You've got a great infotainment system with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can plug that in, listen to your music as you're on your journey, which is really, really good. The screen as well is also angled just slightly towards the driver, which makes it even that more accessible too. One thing I really like about the vehicle is you've got lots and lots of room in here, lots of head height, very spacious. You do feel very comfortable in here as well. This particular model that we're driving today is the manual model. Gear shift, nice and easy, very smooth. Again, just adds to the comfort of driving this vehicle. That's it for the Citroen Berlingo. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle or on similar vehicles, log on to vansdirect.co.uk.